You can now directly add members to your network or spaces right inside of your Mighty network. You'll go to admin, and in the member list, you will see there's two different types of members that I have in this Mighty network. You might have one or the other, or you might have a combination of the two. Full members have access to everything inside of your Mighty network, global features, chat, etc. And limited members only have access to space or spaces and don't see the full network. So if I want to go ahead and add this member here to a particular space or spaces, I'm going to click the three-dot menu here, and I'm going to click add spaces, and then I'm going to choose the spaces that I would like to add them to, and then click add to spaces. And it says that the member will be added to 3 spaces. I will receive a push notification as well, an email notification if I have those enabled, and the member will receive the same. If I want to go ahead and add a limited member, click the three-dot menu here. I see that I only have the ability to add the limited member to the network. So I could add this member, Georgie, to the network, and then from there, add them to more spaces if I want to continue to grow their space list. But you'll first have to add limited members to the network in order to be able to do that. You can also move members in between plans. So limited memberships, they're always on plans. So you can move members in between plans as well. If I want to move a number of people, what I can do is I can either individually select them, or I can use the filters here and choose a particular plan that people are on, a member type, any tag that I have or badge to filter this list down. And then I can easily select all based on that filter. But once I do select some in the member list, I'll see that the bulk action menu is highlighted. And then from there, I'll be able to add to network or add to spaces. And let me go ahead and do that now. So I want to go ahead and add these folks to a few spaces. And then I'm going to go ahead and click add 3 members. These might take a little bit of time, especially if you're adding a lot of folks to different spaces. It might take a while to process, but you'll get a notification when it's all set and ready to go. So this is available today inside of your Mighty network, and it will bypass any kind of plans that you have on any of these, either your network or spaces. It will also bypass screening questions or approvals as well. So this is a super powerful tool for you as an admin to manage your members today inside of your Mighty network.